Hi, I'm Jennifer and I'm so happy you're here. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'm getting ready to make some meatloaf for dinner. This is one of my husband's favorite things to eat. I'm going to start with 1 egg and about a pound of ground beef. I'll add in some garlic powder and some onion powder, some salt and some pepper. I'll mix this up real quick. I'll put in a few splashes of teriyaki sauce. You could also use Worcestershire sauce. I'll add just a little bit of ketchup, a little bit of heavy whipping cream, some chopped onions, and I'll crumble up some saltine crackers to help hold everything together. I've mixed up the meatloaf and put it in a sprayed baking dish, and now I'll get this to the oven at 350 degrees. I added a little more salt and pepper to the top of the meatloaf, and now I'll get this in the oven. After about 45 minutes, the meatloaf is done. It smells delicious and it'll be so nice for dinner this evening. I'm going to put a little ketchup on top and put it back in. I'll just put this back into the oven until the ketchup thickens up. You could also use steak sauce. I put it right up on the top so the ketchup can get nice and hot and thicken. And here's the meatloaf all done. My husband will be so excited to have this tonight for dinner. We're going to be having corn and mashed potatoes. And here's how the wonderful meatloaf meal turned out. Thank you so much for being here today. I had a really fun time putting this video together and I really appreciate you staying to watch it. I would be so glad if you hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.